Hi guys, welcome to this very short tutorial. We're basically going to be replacing the Blackmagic DaVinci Resolve Advanced Panel keycaps. As part of the new release of DaVinci Resolve 17, Blackmagic is basically added a lot of new features into the software. And in order to be able to access a lot of those features directly from your existing advanced panel, you will need to change the keycaps. You can access those features by using the existing configuration, but it's not as intuitive as the way the new set of keycaps are. So essentially the layout in terms of the keys to access specific functions is a lot more intuitive now. So for example, a lot of the keys that are not currently in use in the existing advanced panel have now been assigned, and there's a lot more functions using your shift keys to that you can use to access sub keys, which is very nice. So essentially, if you have an existing advanced panel, it will make sense to replace the keycaps. However, if you want to continue using your existing panel the way it is, you can, without making any changes. But once you've installed the new keycaps, you will need to change your advanced panel to advanced panel 2 in DaVinci Resolve 17, and that opens up a lot of these new features. So let's go. We will start with the middle panel. Okay, so let's do that. Get rid of this. And basically this is what you've got. So you've got the keys, the encoders, and the soft keys. Okay, so let's do that. You get a tool which is used for actually removing the keycaps, and basically you just open that up that way. So if we start with this one here, you put that in on both sides and you pull it out. Sometimes when you do that, you don't get the full thing, so the white bit needs to also come out. So if you put that underneath and you lift it, so you've got that removed. Okay, and then you have to be careful when you do this, when you remove it, so you don't break anything. So that's gone. Do the same for this one here. That's gone. We'll do the same for this one here. Same for this one. And that's gone. So what we'll now do is that we know we've removed the three on the left trackball, on the top and the bottom, and on the actual box, the box tells you what needs to go into this section that we've removed. So you need to pay attention to what's on there, and then you need to pick the keys that match that on the new set of keys that you've got in your package. So for that one, if we start with that, we know that that's up key, and this is replacing that one, right? So this will go there, this will go on the left, and the one it says tools, and that goes in the middle right there. And on the top attention, so that's raw, user, and log. and then primary, and which is this one. So what I will do is, once I've done that, I will install the new keys. So installing the new keys is as simple as just setting the keys. There are some pins at the bottom. You just need to make sure that, so you need to make sure you put the right key. You can only go in one way anyway. So that's middle, and that's tools. And that's it. So now we've done those three. The same with that. So you need to, obviously, that way you put that in, and then on, and primary. And as you can see, we've done those ones. Now with the ones with the encoders and the soft keys, there's a technique to how you actually remove the encoders. You need to, when you put the knobs in, and that's that one done. I just need to make sure it's a back one. The old knobs, the new knobs have black inside, the old ones have white. They're coated with white thing inside. So you just need to turn it gently until it sits. And that's it, you just push it in. Okay, so we do that. That's all the knobs installed. Now the next bit is to install the soft keys. You need to make sure that the bottom part is where you've got the text in the key. So you just need to make sure that that's sitting on the bottom, and you basically just put that in and you push it in. That's the easiest one to install. So you check, make sure the text is at the bottom, and then you put it in and you push it in. Okay, text at the bottom, you put it in and you press it. Text at the bottom, push it in. So that's it. So we basically installed all of the stuff on this side. We also need to replace these ones. So it's the same thing. We take those out. All the ones with the white color inside are the old ones. The new ones are black inside. So that's how the easiest way to identify. Make sure you don't get them mixed up. So turn. You will feel when it's sitting in the right. And that's it. So you just repeat the same for all of the keys, and that's it, you're done.